Piyush Goyal from the BJP is joining us, but before we do so, I want to take you through the figures for Delhi, where by far the most exciting election is being fought in semi-final 2013, and we're not sure yet, Piyush, whether or not the BJP will be able to cross the majority figure. What do you make of the spectacular debut by the Aam Aadmi Party? Even in victory, it is Kejriwal who more people are talking about than about the BJP's performance. Piyush Goyal.
Well, very clearly the Aam Aadmi has done reasonably well in Delhi. It's something which is more than what was expected by most pollsters also. But we see the trends, we see what's happening on the ground. I'm quite sure we'll cross the halfway mark and form the government. But the important picture to see, the big picture, is the rout of the Congress in Delhi, which reflects the anger of the people, the youth, the women, that even such a seasoned politician and Chief Minister like Srimati Sheila Dikshit is almost trailing, I believe, right now in New Delhi. So the big picture is the people are angry with the Congress, the people have voted for change. And when you put that in the national perspective, the one leader who stands out for the people of India as an option, and we saw that in many opinion polls, people said even if we vote for Aam Aadmi in Delhi because we are angry with the Congress and we see some ray of newness in him, but in Delhi we see Modi as that symbol of hope and change. So when it comes into the national perspective,
let me ask you, Piyush, if you'd be willing to do business with Arvind Kejriwal in case you fall short of a majority. It isn't known yet whether or not with more than 35 seats. If you don't, are you prepared to do business with Kejriwal?
I don't see that perspective at all possible. Looking at the results, we're almost looking at 33 already. And as the day progresses, I see we crossing 35, 36, possibly even 38, which is what our internal assessment looks like.
Okay, but Aam Aadmi Party getting off to a big start. You know, Sushma Swaraj, Gadkari, all of you, Piyush, try to dismiss the Aam Aadmi Party as a small player, as a peripheral player in this election. What do you make of the sort of debut they've been able to get off to? 24 leads at this time. This is way beyond the expectations of the main political parties, Piyush.
Very clearly, there can be no denying the fact, and there cannot be anybody taking away the credit from the fact that he has performed better than expected. Our expectation was that we would cross 40. We may be 2 or 3 seats less. I think the person who has to worry more is the Congress, because it has clearly shown that Congress could not retain even 10 seats out of the over 45 that they had in the last election. So there's clearly the message out is that the people are angry with the Congress. You are seeing the winds of change nationally, and I suspect that as it goes into a national election, the very sheer strength of the BJP all across the nation, the very sheer power of the Modi magic which we have seen in so many rallies all across the country will surge the BJP ahead of the halfway mark also in Delhi.